Hello guys! Kasama ko naman si Ate Miriam ngayon kasi bibili ako ng coffee. Tapos nakita ko ang magandang ate ng bayan.
Hi!
Kumusta na yung ano natin, yung consumer proposal programs? Marami na ba yung
Ay, salamat sa Diyos. Alam mo, noong last month, naka 21 naka 21 clients ako.
Wow, 21
Lahat
clients.
sila pumirma.
Oh, very good. So marami
Yeah.
kang natulungan, di ba?
Yeah, marami tayong natutulungan. Nandoon na yung mga nakapanood sa ating vlog.
Ah, very good.
Di ba?
Kasi alam mo,
Hi!
maraming nag-PPM sa akin with regards sa consumer proposal. Kaya binibigay ko yung mga numbers sa'yo para kayo na yung mag-usap.
Oo naman.
So,
Di ba?
kumusta naman yung mga natulungan natin? So,
Masayang-masaya sila dahil yung kanilang mga utang na-reduce namin ng 50 to 85% off ang reduce po.
so di ba? Utang
Diba?
lang kayo ng utang.
Utang ng utang, and then tawagan nyo po ako. Ang aking telephone number is 403-400-0617. Yuhu!
Tapos, okay, kumusta yung mga Pilipino ba sila lahat na nag-inquire sa'yo? Or Filipino
Ay,
ba?
hindi
kadalasan?
naman. Hindi, yung iba hindi Pilipino.
Ah,
Oo.
so it's not just about Filipino.
Hindi, lahat pang all over, Canada, nationwide po. Pag may mga utang po kayo, tawagan nyo lang po ako. Ilalagay mo ba yung number ko sa kwan or sasabihin ko na lang?
Mo na lang.
403-400-0617 po.
Alam
Yun
mo-
po yung aking telephone number po.
Alam mo, marami akong naging nakapanood sa atin na talagang pumirma sila.
Yes.
Maraming
Lahat sila. Taga Toronto is, I think, tatlo kaagad.
Tatlo ba agad?
Tatlo kaagad.
Oh, very good.
Oh, di ba? Nakapirma na po sila ngayon,
Sa
nakapag-umpisa na po
Brooks,
sila.
may Brooks ba?
Meron din
Isa ako
Brooks.
nun, may isa eh.
Meron Brooks, meron ding, ano ba yung iba? Red Deer, meron din po.
Tsaka sa Ontario yung...
Yeah, Ontario
oh,
and
yep.
then Vancouver po. Lahat po ng may mga utang, tumawag po kayo sa akin. Ito yung ginagamit ng Panginoon, si Dodge Miranda.
Hindi
Okay?
kasi gusto ko rin kasi makashare kasi ako
Yeah.
into proposal din kasi ako.
Mhm.
So mas maganda na marami tayong matutulungan.
Matutulungan,
kasi kaysa
yeah.
naman mabaon ka sa utang.
Yeah.
Tsaka alam nyo ba yung utang, nag-i-interest. Dati kasi
Yes.
na-experience ko na parang nagbabayad lang ako, wala namang nangyayari.
Talagang walang mangyayari kung marami kang utang sa credit cards. Talagang walang mangyayari.
Kasi yung
Pero
parang binabayad mo, parang napupunta lang sa interest. Eh.
yeah, kung magpapatulong ka sa amin, yun nga ang sinasabi ko na 50 to 85% of ang reduce po. Yun po yung maitutulong po namin. Kaya tumawag po kayo sa aking number 403-400-0617 po.
So far marami naman yung nag-i-inquire, di ba?
Marami. Kahit nakaupo lang ako, kahit hindi ako namimigay ng kwan, alam na nila kasi yung number natin eh. Kitang-kita sa ating vlog, di ba? O, di ba? Panalo. Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord.
Di ba?
Hindi, yung purpose na naman natin is inaano natin si ate. At least makakatulong tayo sa, lalo sa ating mga kapwa Pilipino na nangangailangan talaga ng tulong. Kasi dito, pag hindi mo control, dito kasi, ewan ko ba dito, bakit panay utang? Alam mo naman sa Pilipinas, so hindi ako
Ganito naman ang buhay dito sa Canada. Kung hindi ka marunong talaga mag-control o kaya tulong ka ng tulong sa Pilipinas, edi siyempre dumadami ang ating mga kwan utang.
get information about it?
Yes, sure. Thank you so much. Yeah, hi. My name is Miriam. I know you.
So may client si ate.
May client ako. Okay. So, would you like that? Of course, yeah. So, do you need my help?
This is progress, eh?
Do you need my help or just only...
No, just I
Pass
need
by.
information with the
Okay. Kawork ko yan dati sa Walmart.
Okay.
Hi.
Maraming utang.
Maraming utang to. Maraming ito eh, maraming anak ito eh.
Okay.
Excuse me, can I explain it to you first?
No, just,
Okay, take that one.
Can I read online?
Yeah, sure. Oh, this one. How much did you borrow from your credit cards or how much your debt?
Like 300,000.
300? Yes, still we can help you.
How much
Because
is
I have
gonna pay?
also a client that 4 million in
How much
withholding.
is gonna pay?
Yeah. So your 300,000, is that what you have said?
I didn't calculate what around.
Around 300,000? Oh, come on. You're just smiling that is not not true. You
No,
please,
just
brother.
I'm kidding.
Yeah, you're not kidding? Are you sure?
Yeah, because the mortgage can't go here.
No. Mortgage,
School
that is
fee, yeah.
secured debts. We didn't help secured
Yeah.
debts. Only unsecured debts, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah?
How about, why you take a video, eh?
Yo, that is my blogger. He is my blogger.
You
You
want
see?
to sell my picture?
No.
No.
No, it's not.
Oh.
It's just like only recording our
Conversation.
conversation, okay?
It's allowed, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, just I want to know.
Yeah, it's like how much your this. I'm asking if it's 100,000 or 770,000. It's like how much is that?
70,000.
70,000. Okay, your 70,000 we can reduce it onto 28,000. So that is divided by 60 months. Okay. Just,
months,
yeah, just a moment, bro. I can help you. Okay. Yeah, your 70,000. My goodness, sorry about that. Your 70,000, okay, minus 28,000, okay. So this 42,000 you don't need to pay. Sorry, you don't need to pay this 42,000. Okay, this is government help. Okay, and then the 28,000 divided by
By
60 months. Okay, divided by 60 months is your monthly is 466.67 centavos.
Good for 6 years?
No, five years to pay.
Alright.
Requirements.
Your requirements is this. You can just only, do
Would
you
you
have
please
two
read that
pieces
to
of ID? Yeah.
No,
Two
today,
pieces
just,
of ID
just,
and then bills or statement and then proof of income. This proof of income is your P stub, my dear brother.
Huh?
Proof of income is your P stub.
Pay stub.
Pay stub.
Yeah.
Yeah, pay stub.
If I'm not working.
It's okay though, as long as you're receiving money from the government or any. Yeah, still we can help
okay.
you.
If I have any how's called RRSP, RESP for kids,
Yeah.
no problem.
No problem.
Mm.
There's no
I can
problem.
continue work and get paid on my no more credit for me.
Yeah, of course.
Up
Yeah.
to 5 years.
We're gonna cut your
Yeah,
credit
I
card.
understand.
Yeah.
I bring my credit card here.
No, you're gonna bring it to the office. Our office address is 204 34th Avenue Northeast. Yeah.
It's kind of like what will be like a 30% I pay of my what I owe.
It's like 85%. They're gonna reduce up to 50 to 85% reduce.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Can I get your name, please?
Well, no. I just don't do it today.
Not
I
today.
know.
Yeah, you know my
But
name.
I know. I
Your name
forgot
is
your
Maria,
name.
right?
Yes, my name is
I
Maria.
remember you how many
Brother, I forgot already your name.
Yeah, she said that
Okay.
you were
Can you
working
write
Yeah.
it down? Fidel Castro, can
Yeah.
you write it down your name over here, please, in telephone number?
No.
So
you
that
don't
I
need
can
to
make an
call me.
appointment
Yeah,
or
yeah?
I can send you information, okay?
No.
What? No. I'm helping.
Just